Wind across the ancient sky. Little feet are running high. In a land of stone and fire, under stars that never tire, lives a boy with fearless eyes, one where ancient spirits rise. With his dog beside him strong, through the forest all day long. Mountains echo when they run, chasing shadows, chasing sun. Son of the wild wind, brave and free with your best friend. Through the rivers, through the flame, ancient spirits know your name. Run under golden sky, eagle watching from up high. In your heart the fire glows, where the ancient river flows. Through the valleys painted red, where the mighty buffalo tread, little warrior, small but bold, carries dreams of days of old. Dog is loyal, fierce and true, sees the world in morning dew. Side by side they face the storm, in each other's hearts stay warm. When the night is dark and deep, ancient voices softly speak. You are child of earth and sky, let your spirit never die. Son of the wild wind, brave and free with your best friend. Mountains rise and rivers bend, but your journey never ends. Run, run through the ancient land, with your dog and steady hand. Fire, wind and sky above guide you with their ancient love. Wind whispers through the trees, little warrior runs free.